the one who works for me.
Safe ba ang mga LGBT sa Maynila?
Safe.
Safe na safe.
Safe na safe.
Protektado.
Pati parents sila. They have this kind of peace of mind. Na may mga anak na.
Kung mag-artist ka raw, your business is a book, ha?
Yes!
Okay, sa
Hari na tundo. Baka.
Oo nga pala, oo. Nakapag-curating ka na.
Wala pa. Inagabayan ako.
Pero malaki-laki yung role mo doon.
Ano siya? It's a good character.
Very regular show.
Mga kalawit ng Tolonges.
Not as mayor naman, at not as mayor.
Not really, but almost the same function. Manghuli ng mga kriminal.
Pero anong makikita sa Tondo doon sa hari ng Tondo? Ano yung papakita nila?
Oh, well, the Tondo now. So, still, you know, Manila is a contradicting city. Alam mo naman ang Manila. Daming areas with different people. Halo-halo na. Diverse. I think you'll see.
Sinong pinaka-close yung member ng LGBT?
Si Daddy Wawi, si Tito La.
Oo nga.
Si Showbiz. Tapos yung mga staff ko, si Aisa.
Ano na, rin.
O si Candy, si Chocolate, mga staff. The one that you see in my office. I mean, like core. Staff. Sa office nila.
May mga nagpo-push na sa 2028 tumakbo raw si Vice Ganda as president. Do you think it's right time
Well,
para...
technically, he's qualified.
Pero do you think mayor na...
Ngayon hindi. Hindi ako makapag-notan kasi Monday to Thursday ngayon. But technically, I mean, before the Executive 110, Monday to Friday. It's a daily job. If there will be time on a weekend, why not? But not during office hours. Kasi nakakaya sa town-wide.
Pero do you think, Yorme, na it's high time na LGBT member naman na maging presidente natin?
Well, it's up for the people to decide. Ang maganda naman kasi sa atin, democracy.
So
You
okay
can
lang
choose
with this
anybody.
one.
You can choose anybody.
Pero ikaw, Yorme, hindi ka natatakbong mayor.
Mayor
president.
tatakbuhin ko.
President
Mayor tatakbuhin ko.
for election.
2020.
Confirmation na yan, Yorme.
I've said it so many times. Many times.
So hindi na magbabago
In
ang
fact,
isip.
the other day, ano ba yun? Sabado, no? Yesterday morning, I was asked again.
Paano pag may
Dito lang ako sa
mag-convince
Gently.
uli sa'yo?
Steady lang ako rito.
Hindi, kung may mag-convince uli sa'yo, Yorme.
Kumbisido na ako. Kumbisido. Dito na lang ako sa Maynila.
Nagka-trauma ka ba?
Hindi naman. I'm happy to running in 2022. It's a very good experience. And not any Filipino will have an opportunity to see the country. So if there is one thing, si June, ayun, nagtatanong ka kanina, siya yung tatanong na maraming bading, ay si June. Maraming na ba kaibigan bading? Sabi ko marami.
Out na ba si Junior?
Mahahadang na ako. Hanap ako ng booking. Charot.